Hey folks, I'm gonna open a baseball 1990 Donruss. They picked this one of the worst cards ever. Some people say so. It's very much what the box looks like. Sorry about the angle. I can't really get a good angle doing this. Trying to new style opening packages. There's not factory sealed when I got this, so that kind of worries me a little bit. Get some Diamond Kings or cards are just really. I've been having really difficult opening these things, man. It's like really. With my glue. And of course, the top piece is going to be the puzzle. Oh, I got to destroy that one card. Never mind. And here I got the puzzle part. First one. Second card. We'll try to focus thing. David Collins, I remember him. Try to read the cursive. He was a decent pitcher during his time. Not a Hall of Famer. Just trying to make a Griffey Jr. Oh, got my first Diamond King. Little Walker. That tells you. Chris Abel rookie card. Yeah, almost for 2 years. Granger. Never heard of him. Jim Keys, but a decent player. Trying to read the cursive. Yeah, one reason I didn't like because the cursive. I didn't really bother because all you do is like you can't read the cursive. But all you do is turn the card around. You see the name right there. Jim Harris. I got rookie. Got one rookie guy right here. That's the first pack. 50,000 go. You lucky bastards. Yeah, I'm in the hospital. So I forgot to tell you what the pack looks like. Behind her. Who knows? Goal is not make this video too long. God, this is really terrible. It's gonna ruin that. That's gonna suck. Oh no, Diamond King here. Oh no, it's like a risky. We fit through the puzzle thing. This is what the puzzle look like. His grandson plays the Giants right now. He got injured playing with the Brewers. They try and catch a ball outfield, right field. Jesse. Wade Boggs, Hall of Famer. It was cursive, but at least it had like the guy's hand, the autograph. Oh, Bull Jackson was the next one. Ooh, Bull Jackson. Of course, the evil checklist. Well, McGwire married him. He was a good player. Decent, almost Hall of Famer, my guess. During his time. Trying to find some people I know. Billy Hatchard, I married him. He's mostly with the Astros, so I married him the most. Don't remember him. A lot of common players, so I can't remember every player that played in the 80s and 90s. God, these are just really bad. This is just, oh Lord. And here's the other puzzle piece. I bought a bunch of packets. There it is. Mike, his brother was Greg Bagwell. Rookie. Maybe it's rookie. Oh, close enough. Hall of Famer, Greg's Bradley. Catcher. I guess a second baseman, and came a outfielder near his career. But his short career was with the Astros. Let's see. Trying to find any players I know. A lot of comments. Oh, Dave Parker. I don't know why this guy's not a Hall of Famer. Mostly with the Pirates. I mostly know him with the Pirates, and then the Reds. Great outfielder too during his time. Watch his videos on YouTube. I encourage it. My best friend in high school was their player. I don't know why he liked this guy so much. Oh, he was a pitcher coach for the Giants for a time. That guy, I don't know that much about him. All right. So let me know what kind of videos, guys. What kind of teams you like. What that fun jazz. But I know, please leave a comment section. Nice to get people. I know. Also, I noticed that people that subscribe, that watch my videos, don't subscribe to my channel. I get more. I would like to have more people subscribe. Be nice. This is really, really hard. Oh God, I rented that card so much. Oh man, I'll deal with it later. And then, of course, got the puzzle. Because I did my nails, I was bored. A couple of days home waiting I should do my nails. Oh, Don Malley, he's a manager for the Marlins right now. He should be a Hall of Famer. Oops, sorry. Well, other person should be a Hall of Famer now, Roger Clemens. I know, I kind of know mostly him, J.G. Hoff, catchers. For some reason I like catchers, for some reason. Watch this guy's video. Yeah, VIP. Guy went crazy one time. Jake Riley. I don't remember this much about him. Try to keep the focus. For some reason, mascot is mostly safe. Shutouts. He had one great year. Right there, the Astros. Ozzie Smith, Hall of Famer. Let me see here. One of the bad boys, nasty boys, the Reds. There's one game got frustrated one time, threw up our base runner one time, running to first base. Kelly Downs, I'm mostly him with the Giants. I think it's spring training. Don't recognize the field back there. I don't know. Well, please like and subscribe. Help me a lot. We do more things with the channel. Hopefully, do some traveling. I got a hospital. God, these cards are just so terrible. I'm not sure they glue it back or what they did to these things. It should be easier to take down. First, I'm gonna kind of run the corner right there a little bit. Very nice. Hall star Howard Johnson, marry him. Must have been the Mets. Murder Howard Baines, Hall of Famer. Puzzle piece. Ruben Sierra. Married him. I got his Desert Seal card. Almost Ricky. Should be Hall of Famer, but he built some things on Twitter. It was like kind of Lawrence back. It was like a white fields. I don't know. There you go. I don't recognize none of these people. VIP, Hall of Famer right here. He tried to manage the Tigers. One of the worst years. Eric Davis. I don't know why this guy could have had a great Hall of Fame career. This guy was like Mr. Rookie. He was young. This guy looks really young. I think. Good gossip. Hall of Famer. One of his final years. What do you hate about the Donruss? Didn't really get their whole lifetime thing. So far, reason I didn't like this card. I like the decoration of it. I think most complaints was mostly the cursive. Damn it. Oh, Great Jeffries. There was everybody that wanted his card during the day. He had a decent career. Not a Hall of Famer, but Ray Rookie, person one. Kelly Man. See here, no. Bugs Vaughn had a decent career. I know this guy, rookie. Got tons of his rookie cards. He's not good. It's not a question, but the pitchers they pick, or something they pick really bad pitchers. Mike Fielder, I remember him. I don't remember this guy. Ow. Who knows, maybe a mistake, error. Eric Davis. Guy could have an awesome career. Still kind of popular. Very rookie guy. With the Reds. The Angels, I mean. I do look, yes, I get things mixed up, so don't put a comment I get things mixed up, because I'm not perfect. I try not to be perfect. Their card. There you go. Dale Murphy should be a Hall of Famer, in my opinion. Andy Dawson, Hall of Famer. Most knew about Expos and the Cubs. Don't remember this guy. George Bell, I like this guy. He was my favorite hot temper guy, but it's fun to watch him play. Howard Johnson's Diamond King. Fred McGriff, remember him, one of my favorite players. There's some. I was mostly the Giants fan. Oh, Doc Gooden. This guy could have had a great. Look at that stats, man. That guy could have hit up a Hall of Famer. Oh, Tim Raines, Hall of Famer. VIP. I almost forgot that'd be a rookie. Smith. Oh, I remember this kid, mostly Giants. He was the '89 Giants. Got swept by the A's that year, and the next year the A's got swept by the Reds. Well, I'm in the hospital right now, so you hear some noises. I'll be trying to get this video listen an hour long. It'll be a miracle itself. So, what kind of teams? You watched the Giants games today. Giants lost extra innings. They had that, I guess, extra innings that they had to put somehow second. The Giants won 2 games because of that. And extra innings. They lost against the first team Brewers. Joe. Oh, Ellis Burke, a great player. Evan King. Checklist. George. Oh, a Hall of Famer. That's awesome. This guy died fixing an antenna. I remember this is at the Candlestick Park. The background camera, because they had a little twerp thing right there. Oh, Jack the Ripper. Yeah, I guess he got replaced by Will Clark replaced him. Yeah, I think we made a pride race. We put a cover section. Got Hall of Famer, Sandy Homer Jr. This guy, they had more deal about him than his own brother. And then Orel Hershiser, '89 had a great season. 58 innings with everybody scoring off him. It's just some record. He played the Giants and then back to the here's his career. He played with the Giants and then back to the Dodgers. But he had a great season with mostly with the Indians and the Dodgers during his career. Glenn Barron. This guy, he was with the Reds, 1990, and then he between the bat, he broke his bat. This guy was called Caveman. This guy could like pitch and bat. Revealing. Alan Davis, VIP. Will Clark, one of my favorite players. Should be Hall of Famer in my opinion. Got a Hall of Famer. Oh, no, not Hall of Famer, Mike. I never heard of this guy. I guess he was a pitcher. I'm trying to recognize some players I remember, or some back in this. Jay Howell. I used to go by Jay. He got caught team one time. He this guy's card. Find this guy, Eric Burke. Means it's bad luck. Like, oh, McGwire. That's really cool. Give you a Hall of Famer. Try and get his limit card. Let me get close to add to my collection. Okay. I'm trying to find some play. Dennis Cook, come here, him. Maybe because he was a Giants, that's why. Great catcher. Not sure Hall of Fame or not. Look it up. Oh, Noah Ryan coming up. Woo! Well, I say I see this card. Never saw him pitch a game in person, but I saw him warm up one time. Got a very rookie guy. I got tons of guys minor league cards. Juan, Gonzalez, Tim Raines. Hall of Famer Eric Zexley, Hall of Famer starring in a Leaf pitcher near his career. World Fizer again. Robert Kelly. He used to be the first baseman coach for the Giants. This guy had a long career. Should be more fair to throw the garbage away. Oh, God. Some of these stickers are just really hard. It's like torturing me. There we go. Dave Stewart, great career with the A's. He fused the 1901 team. He pitched with the Dodgers. Went to the playoffs and with the World Series, but he fused because one of the players with Dodgers did something bad. So he fused to do anything. George Brett, Hall of Famer. My dad almost worked with him and his brother. Pretty kind of my deal. I can't remember because my dad worked with. Read a lot of them. Lee, man. Ray Evans had a great career during this time. Should be a Hall of Famer. Dave Stewart. Mug shots. Because every time I look at his bats, when I see a tip, it doesn't say anything. I think he's very concerned about his bats. Billy Rickon. But he used to go by Bill Rickon, but since he changed the. There you go. Tim King game, Dave Stewart. Tim King. I think he came up as a catcher. Oh, this guy was one of my favorite players with the Blue Jays. Oh. And you got Barry Bonds. Awesome. Should be Hall of Fame. My opinion. I realize my opinions mean jack anymore, so I sure say anything at all. Of anyone. Who's these things? Do a great job. God. Oh, no way. Got All-Star. Oh, good. All-Star. Awesome. Jack Morris says Hall of Famer. Remember this guy. Bernie Williams. I remember kind of this. Oh, it's Ricky card. Oh, cool. Kirby Puckett, Hall of Famer. He died. Oh, well, he got quit because he got hit in the head. One season. Oh, Noah Ryan. Awesome. Always good to have his cards. Well, again, back-to-back Noah Ryan celebration. Come on. I remember this guy. Steve Sachs, decent player, mostly with the Dodgers. Oh, man. And this guy, Jim Harris. I remember him. Second year. You guys know I'm gum. Everyone's the package. Oh. And the card, like it's doing right there. I was gonna fresh get the same card. probably get a Mike Tim, remember him. I was here again. Oh my goodness. Checklist. Ken Mitchell, that remember 1 year he had 47 home runs with the Giants. He was there when the Mets went to the World Series, won the World Series against the Red Sox. I knew he was on base when that happened. Oh, Barry Hatcher again. More people. Kind of weird, looks weird. This gotta be playing till he's like he's dead or something. Off. More breaking. This guy Ray rookie card again. And Brent Bond VIP. God. Some things these are just nightmares. I don't know why it made it didn't store it. Summer cool enough. Kept in a warm warehouse. Don't know why. I really don't know why. Got pure arguing right now. We're speaking Spanish. They're mad about something. Serbia. God, I saw the. Come on, focus. Sometimes I want to focus. Okay, I don't know why it's giving me a problem. This guy could have been a. Yeah, big deal about this guy, and then they didn't really do think he got injured. Ruffle. I think this guy had Asia with Giants, Will Clark during his career. McGwire. O'Neal. This guy decent career. Don Mattingly should be a Hall of Famer. Oh, Roger Clemens. Looks like right there he's at the Coliseum, Oakland. He got rejected during a playoffs against the A's or something. So, I don't know. So I hope it goes to minor league games this year. Kind of be that kind of nice. God, it's just terrible. This guy card again. Dave Stewart. Mike Fielder. I'm trying to get a lot of repeats. We're gonna buzz right now. Eric Davis could have had a great year. Will Clark, Hall of Fame. Could be Hall of Famer. Should be. I remember this guy. Oh, this guy was my favorite player. Rookie year. So I don't know some. Should be pretty happy to see his card. I think his daughter died or something. God, why? This is just so frustrating, so many levels. Here we go. Davis, L.C. Smith, Hall of Famer. Nancy Boy again. Gives me repeats again. Darryl Strawberry could be a Hall of Famer. Played with the Yankees. I think he did play with this a couple years. Ray rookie. Yeah, I think. Oh, Hall of Famer. Played mostly with 1 year with the Phillies, mostly with the Cubs. I think one of the worst trade they did with the Phillies. Traded him. Drains right back when they were catched. That's pretty much it. So far, it's been a couple cards I like. Maybe one pack has like 3 cards I like. Mostly like commons. These are just really terrible. This guy did not get 10% or 5% on the stars or anything. Here we go. Diamond King. Yeah, Donruss don't have their no longer use the team logos anymore. Hall of Famer Dave Winfield. Great rookie guy. There's one card's like an error, but it's like a. We'll see. What stand card it is. There we go. Tony Gwynn, one of their players. They died. David Justice. Ricky, cool. I got his minor league cards. I don't remember this guy at all. Try to hurry up with this. Oh, Terry Kennedy. What's Terry Kennedy? Oh, yeah, one of my favorite Giants. Oh, cool. I got this guy's coin card in 2016 Tom Series 1. Curtis, no. On first day, my things are over. Let me see here. Look at a big old mess. This is just really, really bad. Makes me nervous because I'm always afraid. Oh, he died. Yeah, you gotta keep that P. Rose. I think he's late to a famous actor. Checklist again. Diamond King checklist. Jim. Oh, there we go. Trying to find players I know. Ray rookie guy. Don't remember his career. Kenny Monaro, one of their Giants. VIP, don't remember this guy at all. Okay, Ken Bass, mostly with the Astros, and I think he played with the Giants. I was kind of signed when he came to the Giants. I was like, happy little girl. Maybe I'll find a Jose Uribe error card. Somebody had best luck finding his error cards. Keys. Oh, Curry bucket. Sorry about it. What happened to him? Yeah, Don't know him, but I kind of know a little bit about him. And a mullet. Pretty Smith. Brett Butler, one of the Giants. Got a bunch of autograph cards from him. Also, did Gus autograph cards. Tommy Gregg, is his rookie card? No, almost. Eric Davis again. Guy could have a great career. Try opening stupid. Vaughn. And Jack Howell, or Howell. I think it was Howell playing the Giants. Dave Henderson might be my favorite players. Play the Giants, Angels, A's. Person he died a little back. I'll get some autograph cards from him. I might pay extra for all the cards, some players I liked. Even, a lot of people don't remember the guy. Make a big old mess. Next will be a better job. Our I've been the players I know. Ready rookie guy again? Yeah. Donruss again. Real card again. There's wrong hand real card cards. Joe card? No, I thought Joe card. No. So, wait. So far, I don't see too many people I recognize. Jay Helgen. Bad luck. You see his cards. With Will Clark. I mean, McGwire. Sure, yeah. I'd like me to see a package to go for you people. If you're still watching, thanks for watching. And for some reason they picked one of the worst packs. Got Braves. Hall of Famer. Hall of Famer. Don't remember this guy at all. I collect all the Devin Kings. I remember this guy at all. Ken. Great Medics. Hall of Famer. Mostly Cubs, Braves, Padres, Dodgers. Robbie Thompson, one of the best second basemen, most underrated second basemen. My opinion. Get ready. Yeah, I got people arguing in the background about something. It's always something arguing about something here. God. Oh, Hall of Famer. Joe Smokes. Second year card. Cool. Yeah, good. I remember this started kind of known from the A's. Hall of Famer, bad boy. Can't really see what he did. Got fired. They kind of picked his brother to be the Hall of Famer, but he spit on a manager umpire one time. Kurt Pug. I think during an All-Star game, Randy Jackson threw a ball. He scared him, so he put his baseball card backwards. Not let it. Shelly Davis, kind of like he was my favorite of my players. Jose Canseco. Joe Carr should be a Hall of Famer. So, Hall of Famer Lee Smith, mostly with the Cubs. And this guy pitched a no-hitter and lost the game. The Yankees were bad that year. That's what I remember most about his thing. God, these are terrible cards. You all watching this Hall of Famer All-Star card, Carl Rickman Jr. Rick Kennycup, he got caught cheating. I think he's a Dodgers pitching coach right now. Get a rookie card, yeah. Kirk Gibson, 88, the ball off at Game 1 the World Series. Oh. Might do. I like this guy. High-head guy, but he's fun to watch. Don't remember this guy mostly. Bright Smith. Oh, Rain Johnson. Almost rookie. Oh, there's an air card to get from it. Kind of messed up right here. It's like a blur. Blue the camel or something. That's cool. Got Hall of Famer. Second year card. God, these are just frustrating. So frustrating. Oh, it's not gummy. I don't like this so sticky. Giants. I remember this guy. Kind of weird to see a Giants player. I don't remember him during that time. Rip Robinson. I think it's. Right, so his rookie card. No, I thought it'd be a rookie. This guy could feel but couldn't hit jack. You could tell by his stats. Look at that. He just couldn't really hit. But awesome shortstop. I think he used to be a third base coach for the A's, and they fired him. Made some mistakes or something. Too many mistakes. Got former packs for you guys. Probably the top card be a lot easier. Oh, Tony Gwynn, VIP card. Glenn Davis. Rick Russell, Big Daddy. Yeah, decent career. Jim Abbott. It's like his rookie card. Yeah. First draft pick for the Angels that year. Kyle Ripken. Couple of rookie Hall of Famers. 2 sacks. This is rookie. Yeah, almost 95. Beat Bill Jackson. So good to see his cards. I don't remember this guy. This guy got his ass kicked by Ron Ryan. 27-year-olds got beat by a 47-year-old or something. You beat Davis. Spike Jones. I always liked it. His real name was Spike Jones. From Texas. Good third baseman for the A's. But he's from, if you look right here, he's Burbank, Ohio, but he's from San Jose. Baker, Ohio. I think Baker is the last, but the last Buckbuster. I remember this guy. Grant Wheeler had different, mostly with the Red Sox. I'm surprised I don't see no what's his name? Ken Griffey Jr. card at all. Well, Jr. He's called like Wally World. Anaheim Stadium. He was so popular in this time. Let's get his rookie card. That was almost a rookie card. Very lucky and Hall of Famer. Mostly played his career with the Reds. Johnson. Kevin Mitchell. Deion Sanders. Sean Shanner. Oh, look at this. Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card. Should be a Ray rookie. I don't know why. Awesome. Keeps in a safe place. Here's some more cards. That's awesome. Speaking about, rookie card is rookie second year. That's kind of cool. Tammy King card, Smiley. I got a bunch of this guy's minor league cards. Pretty good at this. Which he had like 25 wins one year. Doesn't really say here, but I think one year he had 25. Didn't he died not long ago. Bob Boom, his son. A couple of sons. His son manages the Yankees now. He used to call the manage the Reds, but he got fired, and his son in Link got fired. So he actually traded. Hit a home run off the Red Sox. Off the Red Sox in playoffs. Mitchell. This guy was an interesting player during his time. Eric King. Try to find something. There we go. And scream, last screaming. Yeah, I kind of messed up the back part a little bit. Yeah, this guy right here, Julio, be playing to 6A. He's playing in the National League. Matt Williams. You see a coach, Griffey again. Woo! Save that one for the spaceship pile. There we go. Ricky Harrison. I think it was a rookie card one of these days. Mike Walt. Ray rookie. Two more packs to go. There we go, Giants. It'll be meant to pay this guy till about 21, 30, or 20, 30, 31. There we go. Our rookie. Hall of Famer. Mostly in this video. I'm gonna go a little fast for you guys. Last pack. Okay, Mitchell again. Tony Gwynn. Ray rookie. And the last card is going to be this guy right here. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Hope we do better next time. Thanks for watching. I'm very happy. Got. Yeah, see? Awesome. Miracles do happen. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.